Well guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to play Roblox on Hisense TV, so let's start. So in case that you can play Roblox on your smart TV, you have to check if this is compatible. The only way to play with a Roblox on a smart TV, it's going to Android TVs. That is the only way to do it. Or also you can download on your TV emulators to download Google Play Store and download the app Roblox, but only in that way, because if you have another smart TV that don't have these apps, well, it's impossible to play on your smart TV Roblox. So I recommend you to do it. First, you have to have an Android TV or download an emulator to can play the game for Roblox, and that's how you can do it. Well guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.